Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to log in into the BNZ Internet Banking safely. First, go to the official website or the app and click on the Internet Banking login. Then enter your access number or your username exactly as registered. Then type your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing errors or extra spaces. If two-step verification is enabled, you may receive a security code on your phone. Enter that code when prompted. Once logged in, you'll see your account dashboard where you can check balances, transfer money, and manage your accounts. If login fails, then double check your details or reset your passwords. That's how to log in into the BNZ Internet Bank securely. Subscribe for more banking videos.